Hello everyone, this is group 3 presentation. The question is examine the role of auction systems in non-precious minerals in artisanal and small-scale mining with reference to examples. I'm going to start by defining what an auction system is. An auction system is a sales event where potential buyers, they place competitive prices or bids for assets and services. So these auction systems, they are now being used in the artisanal and small-scale mining in non-precious minerals. Artisanal and small-scale mining, they are a vital sector in a developing country's economy. They contribute a lot to local economics, thereby providing for a million of people. And however, they are also associated with a lot of problems that include informal practices of their operations, lack of regulations, and low pricing for their market minerals, which usually lead to poverty, exploitation, and land degradation. That's environmental negative impacts. And the auction systems, they are now being used to improve the market conditions of non-precious minerals in artisanal mining by providing transparent, fair pricing, and access to formal markets for these small-scale miners. An example of this auction system is the Rwandan online mineral auction platform that was formed in 2001 by the Rwandan Mining Board. In 2019 by the Rwandan Mining Board. The platform aims to connect the small-scale miners with potential buyers for tin, tantalum, and tungsten, and they use an online platform where they bid for the minerals offered by the registered sellers. These are the miners. They are usually provided with adequate information in terms of the origin, the quality, and the quantity of the minerals they tend to buy on the online platform. The auction systems is usually supported by a certification scheme that is used to comply with the international standards and to eliminate problems associated with the abuse of human rights. The Rwandan online platform has many benefits, and it also contributes to widening the economy of Rwanda, as it provides transparency and fair in terms of marketing of non-precious minerals in small-scale miners. And these minerals, they are sold at a competitive price. This increases their economy and reduces the vulnerability of exploitation and poverty. And it enables the buyers to have a variety of minerals from reliable sources, thereby enhancing and scratching and eliminating the risk of illegal practices, such as buying from unregulated sources and illegal operations. This has contributed to the economy of the Rwanda by formalizing the mining sector, promoting legal compliance, responsible sourcing of the minerals, and improving the government sector in terms of controlling the artisanal and small-scale mining of the Rwandas. Another example of a non-precious mineral auction system is of the tantalite, which is a tantalite auction system in Tanzania that was formed in 2001 when they established a Tantaline 1 mining company, which is a platform where registered buyers, they can bid for tantalite, which is a blue gemstone that is mined in Tanzania. This helps to control the grade, the quality, and the color of the tantalite gemstones. The auction system then generates a revenue for the government of Tanzania, and this has helped the social in terms of the local communities, infrastructure building, improving services, and it provides transparency and competitive in terms of markets for tangerine, and this benefits both buyers and sellers in ensuring fair prices and the quality standards of the gemstones. In conclusion, these auction systems are of significant role in improving marketing conditions for non-precious metals in artisanal and small-scale mining by promoting transparency, fair pricing, access to formal markets for small-scale miners. With these two examples, the Rwandan online mineral auction platform and the tangerine auction system in Tanzania, they demonstrate how sustainable for the economies of countries these auction systems benefit. However, they don't fully eliminate challenges associated with the artisanal and small-scale mining, where there's need for capacity building, legal reform, and environmental management, so that they can also continue to contribute a positive impact to economies of nations.